When you turn the key, the battery powers the starter motor. Here's the catch. Normally, the engine and gearbox are connected. If you don't press the clutch, the starter motor has to rotate the engine and part of the gearbox. That means extra load, more resistance, more battery strain. When you press the clutch, the engine gets separated from the gearbox. Now the starter motor rotates only the engine. Less load, smoother start, less stress on battery and starter motor, and most importantly, safety. That's why modern cars won't start without pressing the clutch. Smart engineering.